Hey guys, Matt from Gulf Coast here. Today we're going to be at 6651 Pebble Beach Way, which is in Lakewood Ranch Country Club. Beautiful, beautiful area. Maintenance-free area as well. So for this lovely garden, don't have to worry about anything. Nice walkway right here. Some pavers. And we'll come on up. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den. And we also have around 2,100 square feet for this house. So walk in, you'll notice the nice wood flooring. Off to the left, we have our first 2 guest bedrooms. We'll see the first one with the nice plantation shutters. Got your second one. We'll see the bathroom real quick. And we got your second bedroom here. Again with the plantation shutters. Nice closet. And what's nice about this too is we do have the pocket door here, so you can close this off and just make it real private if you have some guests visiting from out of town. Across from this you have your den with double doors that you can close off. Nice new carpet here. Again, we have the plantation shutters, nice feature. And just a nice sized den. We'll come back out to the living room over here. And right off the living room, we have a nice dining area, which connects to the kitchen, which I'll walk you guys through right now. Again, you have a pocket door here, so we can close it off, preparing a nice meal. We have brand new